Premium sneakers begin their journey in highly controlled industrial environments. This is not mass production, this is precision manufacturing. High-grade rubber is the foundation of comfort and performance. Only rubber that meets strict elasticity standards is approved.
Engineered fabrics define breathability, strength, and style. Even invisible flaws can disqualify a material.
Only approved materials move forward. From here, transformation begins.
This level of consistency defines premium manufacturing. Exact formulas control flexibility, durability, and response. The sole begins as a precisely engineered compound. Heat transforms raw rubber into a flexible, high-performance material. Each mold defines the sneaker's grip, comfort, and identity. Controlled cooling locks in structure and durability. Only flawless soles move forward to final assembly. The upper begins with precision-cut engineered fabrics. Laser cutting ensures zero error and perfect symmetry.
Each panel has a specific role in fit and structure.
Every movement follows a carefully planned workflow.
Stitching is performed simultaneously across multiple lines.
High-stress areas receive additional reinforcement across all pairs. Comfort components are installed at scale.
Heat and pressure define the upper's final shape. Shape memory is locked using controlled heat. Cooling stabilizes every upper before inspection. Quality control happens at scale, not individually. Approved uppers now move toward final assembly. Here, the upper finally meets the sole in a coordinated dance of precision.
Specialized adhesives bond upper and sole seamlessly.
Detection of customers. Heat stabilizes the bond and locks in shape. Cooling prepares each pair for final finishing. Every shoe is polished to perfection before inspection.
Laces are installed with precision across all pairs.
Even the smallest details are aligned carefully. Precision ensures durability and visual appeal. Consistency is critical at scale. The final silhouette is confirmed before finishing. Visual perfection is mandatory. Only approved pairs move to testing. The journey continues to rigorous testing.
Luxury production combines human skill and precision machines at scale.
The pitching scoop olives. Every surface is polished for pristine presentation. All pairs flow seamlessly to the next phase. Left and right shoes are perfectly matched. Every pair now heads to rigorous testing before packaging. Flexibility is measured to ensure performance and durability. Grip is tested across hundreds of pairs simultaneously.
Safety and traction are verified at scale.
Moisture resistance ensures quality under any conditions. Weight and balance are critical to performance. Every tail is scrutinized before approval. Only passing pairs move to packaging.
Shoes are sorted efficiently for final packing.
Minimal rejects are separated for quality control.
Each pair is prepared for premium packaging.
Protective wrapping preserves quality during shipping. Boxes are stacked efficiently to maintain order and quality. Each pair is tracked digitally for accuracy and traceability. Labels ensure proper identification and brand presentation. Untitled warranty. Organization ensures efficiency and safety in storage.
Pallets are transported carefully to prevent damage.
Prepared shipments move seamlessly toward delivery. Every shipment is logged and verified.
Luxury products are handled with care until the last mile.
Every step is orchestrated to maintain premium standards. From factory to showroom, these premium sneakers are ready to captivate customers. Every detail, from stitching to sole texture, is highlighted.
Premium craftsmanship is visible in every thread and contour.
This is the result of precision, skill, and luxury, ready for the world. Every stitch and curve tells the story of precision and craftsmanship. Every stitch and curve tells the story of precision and craftsmanship. From raw materials to luxury perfection, this is the pinnacle of sneaker craftsmanship.
From raw materials to luxury perfection.
To create the perfect fit, comfort, and style.